Are you a poultry farmer finding it hard to keep track of feed, egg production, expenses, or what your workers are doing? Maybe you're not always on the farm, and that makes you worry about losses, mistakes, or even theft. You don't need to worry anymore. This automated poultry record-keeping tool is made just for you, whether you are on the farm every day or managing it from far away. Let's say you want to know how your farm is doing this month or how it did in any other month. Just open the printable monthly report sheet, click on the yellow cell, and choose the month you want to check. Right away, the tool will show you everything: how much feed was used, how many birds died, how many eggs were collected, how many eggs were cracked, how much money you made from sales, how much you spent, and if you made a profit or loss. All the numbers update by themselves based on what you enter daily. With one click, you can see your full farm performance clearly and easily. And if you're tracking multiple batches of birds, no problem. There's a full batch report that shows the total feed they used, revenue you earned, feed conversion ratio, mortality rate, and overall profit or loss without you doing any math. You can even print or share it with your manager or farm owner. This is just the beginning. In a moment, you'll get the download link, but right now, hit that like button, tap subscribe, and stay locked in, because what's coming next will blow your mind. When you open the tool, the first thing you will see is the dashboard. Think of it like your farm's control room. From here, you can easily go to any part of the tool, whether you want to check egg production, feed usage, sales, expenses, or your profit. Just click on the yellow cell, then choose what you want to see from the drop-down list. The tool will update everything automatically based on the daily records you've entered. Now let's talk about daily records. This is where everything starts. Each day, you need to fill in a few simple details: the date, the age of the birds, how much feed and water was given, any deaths, and a short note if something unusual happened. It takes less than a minute, but it's very important. If you enter this part correctly every day, the whole tool will work perfectly. Just remember, when entering the date, use this format month/day/year. Next, you've got your egg production sheet. That's where you record the number of eggs collected, how many were cracked, and how many birds were laying. This lets you track laying rate and egg quality over time. You'll start seeing patterns like which weeks your birds perform best, or if something is wrong with the feed or health. And when it comes to feed, there's a dedicated sheet just for that. Every time you buy or use feed, you write the type, the quantity, cost, and where you got it. The tool automatically calculates your total feed cost and connects it to your profit and batch reports, so nothing is missed. What about health? There's a sheet for vaccinations and medications too. You just write what was given, the purpose, the dose, and the date. Over time, you build a complete health record for each flock, which is great for avoiding repeat mistakes or over-medicating. Whenever a bird dies, record it in the mortality sheet. Note the number, the cause if you know it, and what you did about it. This gives you clear insight into what's really happening on the farm and helps you catch problems early before they spread. Want to track your farm sales? There's a sheet for that too. Whether you're selling eggs, birds, manure, or anything else, just enter the date, item sold, quantity, and price. The system adds it up automatically. Same thing with expenses: feed, equipment, repairs, workers, whatever you spend, just enter it and the total updates in the background. Every figure links straight to your dashboard and batch reports, so you can see exactly where your money is going. Now let's talk about stock. Managing your inventory has never been easier. There's a sheet where you record everything you bring in: feed, medicine, equipment, and every time something goes out. The tool calculates what's left automatically. But here's the smart part. If the remaining stock drops below 20% of what you brought in, the cell turns red. That means you're running low and it's time to restock. So no more surprises or running out of feed at the worst time. And when it comes to egg tracking, there's a special summary sheet that does everything for you. You don't even touch it. It pulls from your egg production records and shows how many eggs you got in the last 7 days, the last 30 days, and in the current month, including cracked eggs, good eggs, and averages per bird. It's clean, it's automatic, and it's always up to date. Then there's the performance summary. That's where you assess how each batch performed from start to finish. You enter a few details like the batch number, bird type, when they came in, when they went out, and the final average weight. The tool takes care of the rest: total feed used, total cost, mortality rate, feed conversion ratio, revenue, profit, or loss. And yes, there are printable reports too. Want a monthly report? Just choose the month in the yellow cell and boom, you get a full report ready to print or save as PDF. Same thing for batch reports. Enter the farm name, owner name, phone number, and batch number. Everything else fills itself out automatically. Before you begin, you'll also fill in your farm profile, the name of your farm, your name, location, vet contact, the type of birds you keep, your farm capacity, and start date. This This info personalizes your reports and makes the tool feel like it was built just for you because it was. Now, here's the real reason this tool matters. It's not just about recording numbers, it's about protecting your farm. If you're not always on site, this tool keeps your workers accountable. You'll know exactly what happened each day, even if you're miles away. If feed is being wasted or stolen, you'll see it. If eggs are missing or birds are dying, the numbers will tell you. No more guessing, no more blind trust, just facts backed by data. And if you're managing the farm yourself, this tool gives you total clarity. You'll always know where your money's going, how your birds are performing, and what actions to take to improve. But here's the best part, this record-keeping tool connects perfectly with another tool called the Poultry Pro Planner. While the Smart Poultry Record tool tracks everything after your birds arrive, the Poultry Pro Planner helps you plan everything before you even start. It tells you how many feeders and drinkers you'll need, how much space the birds require, how much feed they'll need from day 1 to week 100, how many eggs to expect, the projected revenue, profit, and a full summary, all before you bring in a single bird. All you need to do is enter the number of birds and some few details. So when you combine the Poultry Pro Planner with the Smart Poultry Record tool, you're not just a farmer anymore, you become a pro. It's like farming with foresight. You know what to expect before it happens, and when it does, you have the records to confirm it. That's power, that's control. No more struggling, no more wondering, just farming with confidence, whether you're new to poultry or already running a farm. So what are you waiting for? Start using these tools today and turn your poultry farm into a well-oiled, money-making, loss-preventing machine, because every egg and every dollar counts. Want to get these tools and start running your poultry farm like a pro? Click the link in the description to download your copy right now. And don't just stop there, watch the video showing on your screen to see exactly how the Poultry Pro Planner works, step by step. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you never miss a tip that could save or make you money on your farm.